Listen up. If you're about to lock yourself into a limited partner agreement without knowing the exact traps hidden inside, you're setting yourself up for years of frustration, wasted cash, and total loss of control. This isn't just about signing some legal paper. It's about your power, your money, your vision, and too many people get this wrong because they are either blinded by jargon or too polite to ask the hard questions. First red flag, lack of transparency around fees. Don't let them slip in vague language about management fees and carried interest, like it's fine print nobody has to understand if you can't clearly see how every dime is being taken, when and for what. Run. They want your money but won't tell you exactly how they're ticking their profit boxes? That's bullshit. Demand clarity. Insist on line-by-line fees laid bare. If they hedge or gloss over it, that's a sign they expect you to pay for their incompetence or worse, greed. Second, watch out for the decision-making power being locked away from you. If your LP agreement says you're just a silent passenger with no real say on where the fund goes, what deals get funded, or how exits happen, that's a red flag screaming at you. You're not just handing over money to a black box, you're buying a share of the process. And if your influence is drained out before you even get rolling, you'll hate yourself later when decisions take a hit on the value you thought you were buying in on. Push for explicit rights, approval on major decisions, clear reporting schedules, and a veto on conflicts of interest. Don't settle for being a ghost investor. Third trap, bad terms on capital calls and return waterfalls. If your agreement lets them call in capital whenever they want, without a strict timeline or penalties for delays, you're in real trouble. This is money you might not have on hand, and you could be forced to scramble or sell other assets at a loss. Also, if the waterfall structure rewards the fund managers disproportionately, leaving LPs with scraps, that's theft disguised as business. Insist that capital calls come with clear expectations, notice, and your ability to manage your cash flow without emergency fire drills. And fight for a waterfall that rewards your risk fairly. Fourth red flag, conflicts of interest buried deep inside. Ever heard about funds investing in companies run by the same managers or their friends without LPs being told up front? Or side deals where the fund managers profit even when the fund tanks? If your agreement doesn't explicitly ban hidden side deals or forced co-investments, you're walking into a mess. Demand solid language that eliminates any hidden agendas. You want to make sure the people handling your money are playing for your team, not their own secret. No excuses. Now here's the brutal truth. Most LP agreements are built around protecting GPs, not LPs. It's a seller's market, and they know you want in, so they bury you under terms that take your nights, cash, and sanity, but that doesn't mean you roll over. You fight. Push your lawyer to dig into every clause that even smells shady. Question everything that doesn't give you full line of sight on where your capital goes, how it's managed, and how you can exit. Your money isn't a charity donation. Lastly, never forget you're not alone. The best LPs build networks, share intel, and refuse to sign off until they're crystal clear. If you're sitting there thinking, maybe this is normal, question that. Normal often means someone else gets the better deal, not you. Step up, talk to others who've been burned, learn the patterns. Knowledge is your weapon. So here's the call. Don't ever sign a limited partner agreement without your eyes wide open, your lawyer on fire, and your demands crystal. No vague language, no hidden fees, no giving away control, no one-sided waterfall, and no sneaky conflicts. You're investing not just money, but your future and your peace of mind. Screw the usual. Insist on fairness, transparency, and respect. If they can't give that, walk away. Your capital deserves better. This isn't about being nice. It's about surviving and winning in a game that doesn't wait for the cautious. Now get aggressive, get smart, and make every dollar work for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.